What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and this is the WLToys 12428, also known as the Storm Off-Road 4-wheel drive. It has oil-filled shocks, although the shocks came empty, and I didn't put any oil in them yet, so they are pretty bouncy right now. But you can get these oil-filled though. You can fill them with oil and have them not bounce so much. Really rugged design. Has lights on the front. There's a light bar here up on the top, and there's two lights here, two LED lights in the front there too. And it has a unique suspension system in the front. It looks like, as you can see, the suspension are running parallel there, but laying down instead of up and down horizontal. It is so pretty nice. Seem to work pretty nice. And in the rear, you have them there going the traditional way. In this independent suspension on front and back. And it comes with this lithium ion battery. It's a 1500 milliamp hour 7.4 volt battery here. And I do have a LiPo that'll fit in here as well from the ZD Racing series. And so what I wanted to do is run this first with the battery that it came with stock, and then I wanted to try this LiPo battery out in here and see if it makes any difference in the performance. Now this doesn't have any body clips to remove the body. You have to use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the body. There's a bunch of screws on here to remove the body cover, so not really easy to get to the innards of this thing. It does have a body clip here, but that's just to hold the battery though. This tire, the spare tire, seems to be real, an actual tire that you can use to fit on this thing. Looks like it anyhow, but not sure if it really is. It might not be, who knows. Anyhow, there is an on and off switch here on the bottom, and there's a metal plate there, skid plate for the front, I guess for high jumps, hitting in to protect that, give more support there on the front nose, which seems to be slender. So it seems like a pretty rugged little truck. So let's get it running. Pistol grip transmitter here, seems pretty nice, pretty standard though. It has the steering trim up here, throttle trim here, and it has a mode button here. It says 1, 2, 3, 4, and the on and off switch. I'm guessing you probably can change speeds. Not sure yet what this will do, but let's take off with it and see how this thing runs. Seems like it might be pretty fast. It's not bad. Oh, this thing is waterproof as well. Up on one wheel. On 3 wheels, I guess. So let's check out the LiPo real quick. We're gonna do most of the running on the LiPo. I'm expecting the LiPo to have a little more power. So let's see. And the LiPo fits no problem. Extra space in here, in this battery compartment here. So let's see how the LiPo performs. I don't know if you guys can see the lights there in front. Yeah, it looks like it's a little more quick with the LiPo for sure. Oh yeah. Check out the brakes. It takes off faster. I think it'll flip over though. How it's going up on 3 wheels on turns. I think that's pretty cool. Oh, I knew it was gonna flip. So you got to be careful with this one. It will flip over. So this thing is pretty fast. So only that one wheel. I think it might be something with the suspension. I might have to adjust it on that side. Yeah, just when turning left, it'll lift up that wheel. So whatever height is or tension is adjusted at on the right side needs to be changed. The left side is solid. You can see it's not flipping over. So when going fast, I have to remember to turn right until I get that suspension fixed, adjusted there. So pretty cool. WLToys 12428. Thanks for watching.